Hey everybody! In this video, I will show you how to block a website on Shopify. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. So, to do this, all you have to do is simply open your Shopify account and then go to Settings. From here, look for Apps, click on it, and then go to All Recommended Apps. Next, click on the Shopify App Store. From here, you can select Fraud Filter. After installing and setting up this app on your Shopify store, you can easily block any website on Shopify by simply putting in the URL. So that is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.